Hey everybody, today we're doing Traffic Master vinyl plank flooring. Right here's what we're doing. Let me show you where we're at. Right there, we're splitting that door as you're supposed to. Look at this. Look at this. I got the vanity all raised up to do this correctly. Then we go into there like that. Then we go like this. Boom. It's in a hot water tank area. I would actually go as far as the jam, but I can't because the concrete's all jacked up and I tried to do some work and it gets ugly. So I got it there. We're gonna see this come along. Again, Traffic Master. I'm in here working on this Traffic Master flooring. Right here. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. You gotta put a stop point when you click and lock it against the wall. Make sure you do that. Make sure you do your stop. Make sure you go under. Look at that. Make sure you stop it to stop underneath the door. Boom, boom. And in here, I went a little further. Utility maintenance. But that's what it looks like, everybody. This is Traffic Master flooring. And this is how it's done. Click and lock. That's what we do. Look at this. What do you think? Very nice, eh? Even in here, underneath. Laundry chute area. There you go. Third coat. Everything's taped. Look at this closet. Tight. Let me tell you. Nobody does it better. Nobody does it better. No. I stopped the flooring so I could actually do my paint without getting it on my flooring. So there you go. This is it. Yeah, coming alive, right? Absolutely. Till next time, please enjoy my creations. Thanks again. Yeah, check this out, everybody. Built-in laundry chute. Look at that. Drive-in. Still got to do the trim and install the toilet. Halfway there. More than halfway there. Wow, very nice. If I could say so myself. That's quality work done every time. Very nice. Look, give you some light. Give you an idea. I got the paint can, empty paint can in my hand. That's how I draw these. Okay. Perfect circle every time. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Sometimes you gotta do what you don't want to do. You gotta take the door apart to get it to click and lock underneath to get it a finished product. But it is what it is. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely. Till next time. Click and lock. Now I can come in and do my trim, set the toilet, and be done with this. Bad Larry. There's your laundry hamper. How you like that? Look at that. That is awesome. Awesome McGawesome. This is a Bad Larry right here. I'm not even kidding. Let's turn on some more light, get some light on the subject. Created this space from underneath the steps. There's that closet, by the way. Look at that. Wow. Couldn't say it'd been better if I'd done it myself. There's your drip legs for your air conditioner and dehumidifier. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Show us your awesome work as you create it. The pro you need to know. God bless. Okay, still got to do the trim. Coming to take a good look at the flooring. How it does the edges. Just want you to see how it all comes together. And then I gotta trim it. But there's your circle. Look at that circle. That's beautiful. This is Click and Lock Traffic Master Flooring. This right here is an L-shaped bathroom. Jack and Jill. Goes into the laundry room. Created a space that was unusable. There was a workbench there. You could barely slide through. That's what it was. And that's what you got. Till next time, stay tuned.